Hello all, welcome to my channel. After like 1 year, I'm gonna go ahead and try to do everything in English in this channel so I can reach more people. So let's get started. We'll be upcycling today denim scraps. I only have like this part of the denim, so we're gonna go ahead and try to do a corset with this. I have my own pattern. I'm gonna show you guys. So let's get started. So I already have done this corset in the past. I'm gonna go ahead and put a photo over there, and I'm gonna go and do it again just so we can film all the process. So I have my pattern over here. I already altered this pattern. It's already sized like SM, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it in L. Just in the future, but right now we're gonna go ahead and do this because I don't have so much fabric to work with. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the pattern and how we can do everything.
So over here we have the pattern that we're gonna use for this corset. I will make another video showing you guys how I made it. So first things first, we have to go ahead and open this to see how much fabric we have to work with. I usually go ahead and find the seam, start opening over there just to see how much fabric I have to work with. Sometimes it's better with a scissors, so I go ahead and start opening it. Once we've done that, we have all this fabric to work with, and I just start and go ahead and open the rest of them.
So once we have everything open, we're gonna go ahead and try to pin the pattern just to see if we have enough fabric. So all the wide legs looks like this.
So I didn't have enough denim and find this one vintage that I have just to use for the inside of the corset. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the parts that I have left that I need from this one. Once we cut everything, we can go ahead and start assembling the corset. So I'm gonna sew all this part with this part, and we're gonna go ahead and take it to the machine, and we're gonna do that with every part. Just sew over there. So once everything is assembled, I go ahead and iron the seams, so this is how they should look like. I also went ahead and put the front side with the inside, so you should go ahead and pin them front to front. You should go ahead and sew that, but what I did is just to leave the below open so I can go ahead and take the corset from that side.
Guys, we are pretty close to getting it done. So the corset is like right on this stage. I just sew over here, and I'm gonna go and put one of these bias like right down below. That is the pretty similar color. It's not the same, but it's pretty like in shade. It's pretty similar. So we're gonna go and put that on, and then I'm gonna go and do the holes just for the corset behind, and we're gonna see how that turns out. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and put the bias on, so let's see how that turns out. So I just find this long trim. I don't have a lot, but I have a few, and I really love these flowers. So I cut them like this, and I'm trying to put it on the corset because I want to give them like a special touch that is mine. And I usually love lace, but I have this, and there are not so many, but I have to like cut them by hand, so I don't know if I'm convinced 100% yet. I'm gonna show you guys. You'll see. Here's the flower. I'm gonna cut a few and see how it looks like.
So I went ahead and do the holes. I'm gonna show you guys which machine I use. I'm gonna link it below. I usually make one line first and then mark the other one.
So guys, I changed again the design because I wasn't like happy about it, and I did a few changes, and I think I'm gonna love it. I'm gonna show you right now. So I found this cute thing, and I think I'm gonna go and sew it by hand over here just to give it a different touch. But this is like the preview. So guys, I just finished and I love it so much. I'm gonna leave over here some pictures and videos so you can check it out, but I'm also gonna share it right now so you can have a really good view. But I think it's looking so nice. So over here you're gonna be able to see what I did, and I sewed this by hand, but I think it's looking so nice. I'm not quite sure yet if I'm gonna use like this ribbon or this for behind that is more denim, but I think I will decide in the going. I think I'm gonna go with the denim one because I think it's looking nicer. I think it turned out really nice. I really love it, the final details. I'm really happy with it because at the beginning I wasn't really like into the lace or the things I was doing, but I think right now it's really represents the brand and myself that I always try to do in each piece. So I think it's looking really nice. I'm really proud of it, and if you like this video, you can go and subscribe. See you next time.